Hey everybody, here's another little DIY project. Picked up this 4x6 trailer the other day. Had some incandescent lighting on it. So went down to Harbor Freight. They sell a nice little pack that has everything you need. Lighting, wiring, tail lights, brake lights, and running lights. Went over to AutoZone, got some wire conduit and some heat shrink. I prefer to solder the wires and use the heat shrink than just the clips that come with the pack. Just a personal preference. So install the LED lighting, use that conduit, try and make it as clean as possible on the outside. Ran all the wiring underneath the frame, zip tied it up as best as possible. There's a little bit of a rat's nest in the middle here, but at least it's up and out of the way. It gives me a little extra wiring just in case I need it. Up front we have the running lights, and then all the wiring runs through that center section of the frame, which is hollow, pops out here, grounded. A little bit more conduit, and then each individual light has its own ground, so just screw that into the frame. Had to drill a hole and then use some self-tapping screws, but there's just a little project for you.